Straight out the fridge. Ready, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to go try the Starbucks drink. I'm excited. Let go.
That's my dog. Hey, that's my dog. That's my dog.
Let's go. Hold this. Gang. We about to go do this thing. Why do you always turn the camera? Dude! You have the keys?
No. Why did I come to the kitchen? We always got reasons to come to the kitchen though. But what was my reason? I don't know. Yeah.
You want me to take her? Got kids. What do you think about the look though? It doesn't really look like the picture. I'm nervous. Luna, you want to take the first sip? Just go ahead and try. It's a no for me.
What does it taste like?
Here.
You're gonna be on the phone?
We know who else?
But at least you tried it.
Luna? Luna?
It's gonna be on the toilet as well with her. Man, why would you give it to her now?
I know. That is the cutest. Yeah. Oh, girl. Oh, man. Okay, Luna, you're gonna finish this inside.
Right.
But, yeah, so that is it. The Starbucks drink was a experience. Straight out the freeze. Okay, Luna, here you go. This drink was not it, sis. A 4 out of 10, what would you rate it?
It's not a 4 out of 10. It's not that bad.
Yes, it is. It's just sweet.
It is not a 4 out of 10.
Okay.
You know, it's something I won't get. Saying like this is not good. I would never buy that again. I'll never even taste it, even if they handed it out. Like
I wouldn't have won it again.
even if they handed it out, you would.
Even
never
if they
get
said, "Hey, here's
you telling me
free."
if at Sam's we went over and got a free sample and we saw it, we're gonna be like, no, I don't want to taste that again.
I don't.
No.
The whipped cream is the best part about it. What would you rate the drink that I get usually?
I don't know if I got 8. Yes. Okay, we'll bring that one down a little bit lower. 5
A
to
4.
6. 5 to 6. Maybe a 5. Let's just go with a 5.
Well, that's it for this video. Took one for the team, tasted the drink. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I will be posting weekly.
You. Bye.